How's it going, everybody? My name is B, and welcome back to your altcoins. Today, I'm going to talk to you about 3 coins that are kind of bullish right now. Right now, as of the making of this video, at 5:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 25th, 2018, these 3 coins are showing very bullish tendencies. And I want to bring this information to your eyes because I want you to actually make your own decisions, as always, as to whether you want to invest in these 3 coins or not, for the long term, or at least for the immediate future. But before we get to that, let's take a look at the market, sitting at a market cap of 557 billion. Not bad. Actually, I haven't looked at the market cap as a whole over the past little while. 7-day chart. So we were as high as 635. We dropped as low as 490, and we've been slowly going up, hovering around this 550 mark for a little while now. We are up to 1,494 currencies, almost at 1,500 currencies. I haven't dove into any of the new currencies on the market capitalizations website in a while. I might want to do that. Bitcoin is at $11,300. Ethereum over 1,000. Not nearly as good as its 1,300 range, but not too bad. Ripple, $1.33. Litecoin still under $200. Tron under 7 cents. Icon under $8. Verge under 10 cents right now. Binance Coin under $14. Very volatile market right now. Some things doing very, very well, like Steam, for example, doing well over the past week. Other things not doing so well. Roblox is down over the past week. Very volatile market, very up and down right now. So let's get to the charting software. I made a couple of videos incorporating charting software. As I continue to learn this stuff, I want to share this knowledge with you guys and point you in the directions of other people who can teach you this stuff. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin. And I like looking at Bitcoin because it always gives me a barometer, an indication for what the market is doing. Since Bitcoin has been going down for so long and altcoins have been going down for so long, I feel that when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins are going to go on a run as well, because this is a signal that the market might be changing. So I've drawn this very rough line from when it was up at about $17,000. And it touches on 1, 2, 3, 4 main points of contact. And as you can see, it's been following this trend fairly closely. It tried to beat it right here. You can take a look. It tried to get up and beat the trend line right here, failed, went on a dive. It got over the trend line for a little while, but failed. It went back down. And it is again going over this trend line. If you can see Bitcoin break away and get up to 11,600, 12,000, if it can get up there, you may see signs of a bullish market on Bitcoin. But until then, I'm just going to assume it's going to continue to follow this trend. We were on the 1-hour chart, and as you can see, there was a little bit of growth right here, but we're still not having very convincing signals that Bitcoin wants to break out of this slump that it's in. It has been red over blue for pretty much the entire time. It's gone blue over red for a little bit, a bit of a run here, and then right back down again, right back down again. But Bitcoin was not the main reason I want to bring you here. There are 3 coins I'm tracking right now, of the bunch I'm tracking on the right-hand side, that are showing trends of bullishness using the indicators that I've taught you in previous videos. Let's take a look at them. And again, before I show you, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an average guy. I got into crypto just this month. I'm teaching myself this stuff. And if you want to make your own financial decisions based off of that information, that is up to you. I'm giving you the tools. I'm giving you the information for you, a very smart audience. I mean, you have to be a smart audience if you're talking about cryptocurrencies to make your own decisions. Okay, let's move along. The first coin I'm going to talk about is Simple Token. Actually, full disclosure, I have my financials in Simple Token right now. I see this wave. I see this spreading of the 4 bands going out in a very positive direction. And I'm going to ride this wave for as long as it shows me. So just for full disclosure, I have my money in Simple Token. 2 reasons. 1, Simple Token is a fantastic project. It's trying to solve a very simple problem in business. Simple Token is basically saying to other businesses, hey, you want your own token? We have a pre-made, wrapped up product just for you to create, customize, and track your own token. That's a pretty smart idea. Business to business, letting other businesses make tokens. Great, smart idea. Love them for that. And right now, showing bullishness. So for a little while here, the last time it did this, last time it went blue over red, in this order, we had this run and it ran. Now, I'm using Ethereum, so I'm going to switch this to OST BTC so that I can speak in Satoshis and everyone can understand. Simple Token was at 5,000 Satoshis right here. 5,000 Satoshis when it started to branch out. And again, we're on the 1-hour chart. At its peak, it went as high, finishing candle right here of 6,700 Satoshis. That's a 1,700 Satoshi split. If we were to track the profits on that, if we were to track the profits on about 5,000 Satoshis to that mark, you're looking at about a 34% increase over the course of what, 2 days? A little bit more than 2 days. A 34% increase over 2 days. The last time these lines fanned out. So then it went red over blue and things went down, things went down, things went down. Now we're looking at another blue over red indicator. And if you had gotten in at the beginning of this, also look at this trade volume spike right here. Massive trade volume spike. We haven't seen that much volume since this peak right here. Massive trade volume spike. So doing profits again, if you got in right here at the switch and you got out at the top of the candles, you're looking at a 20% increase already. I feel that Simple Token is just getting started. Now, don't FOMO in right now. You can if you want to. It's up to you. I can't tell you not to. But I got in right around here. I made the mistake of getting in too late on Simple Token. And as you can see, I got in right here and it dropped down and it still has not gotten back up to that level. Can it get to this level and continue? Good chance. I'm riding on that. That's my gut instinct. I could be totally wrong and I could lose money on that. We're going to move on to some other coins that may have a bit more staying power. Our second coin is H-Shares, and this one's a little bit more unique, a little bit different than Simple Token. Simple Token is a very new coin, not a whole lot of data on Simple Token. H-Shares has been going up since between the 23rd and the 24th. So a couple days now. At its lowest, it was here at 11,400 Satoshis, and at its highest, it was up to 17,000 Satoshis. That is a massive, massive change. Let's see what the change is on that. Boom. Bring it up. You're looking at a 52% increase from this indicator right here. Again, why this branching band strategy is so powerful. Not every time happens like this, right? I mean, look right over here. Look right over here. Here's a branching moment. It got as high as this. That was a 16% increase from here to here. And let's say you got out over here. You got out when the band switched, like I was advised. That's only a 7% increase. But hey, a 7% increase is still better than a 0% increase. So why am I so interested in H-Shares? This is the one I made that mistake on. I mentioned that in the previous video. Let's delete this indicator for now. H-Shares, this looks impressive. From this perspective in the 1 hour chart, this climb looks very impressive. But it may not be the most impressive part of this climb. Watch this. Let's zoom out. Okay, so I've zoomed out to 2018. This is 2018 right here, this peak. 2018, let's watch the profit. Even from this point to the high we had at 2018, 136%. The current high is 136% lower than where we were on the beginning of 2018. But guess what? Still not done. Look at this peak up here. Just for fun. Just for fun, boys and girls. Let's bring, oh God, this peak all the way up to that peak. 370%. Now let's say you didn't sell at the peak, or, it's just logic, right? Let's go down to about, there. 271%. So, why am I bringing this coin to your attention? It's an older coin. It's been around for quite a while. Let's switch this to a 1-day chart and see how old this coin is. This coin has been on Binance since November. On Binance since November. This is the 1-day chart we're looking at. Now, on the 1-day chart, it's clearly going down, but you can see these green candles coming up on the 1 day. Let's leave this thing. You can see these 3 green candles on the 1-day chart, very encouraging. You can see the increase of the volume right here, these green lines, the green bars, increase of volume on the 1-day chart, very encouraging. So going back to the 1 hour chart, beautiful spreading of the lines, going up, going up. If you get in now, can I guarantee you that it's going to continue to go up at this range? I cannot. There is a chance it will. I cannot. The volume has to stay there. The interest and the desire has to stay there. I can't guarantee that it's going to continue to be there. But I'm bringing this to your attention because it may continue to go. And I want you to do your own research, look into the project, get a feel for things on Reddit and Twitter and Telegram, all those places, and then come to your own decision of whether you want to invest in this or not at this point in time. Now, our third coin we're looking at is a little more established coin. And by a little, I mean a lot. It is Ethereum. So this line I've got drawn here is a trend line from back on the 14th of January when it was at a high of about $1,400, about $1,400, $1,417, 18. That was the peak. I drew a line. It touched once, twice, 3 times, and then 4 times. This is where we're at now. So it is broken past this trend line. Ethereum is busted out of this trend line. We're on the 1 hour candles, remember. So in the past 24 hours, it is busted out of this trend line. The lines have fanned right here. Right here. This red candle, this green hammer candle right here. These two green hammer candles right here. Lines are fanning out. Came down a little bit, but guess what? It's going back up on the 1 hour chart. Ethereum may try to climb its way back up to that 1400 range of its peak. It may not, but indicators using these lines are showing that Ethereum is on a bit of a run. But B, you're going to say to yourselves, you've only shown us altcoins after they've spread out. Can you show us the point they actually start to spread out? I'm trying to. Let's take a bit of a look. How about IOST? IOST hit Binance like just the other day. It is fresh. On the 1 hour chart, kind of jumbled up. And there's no red line yet. It's not been out long enough for a red line. If we go down to like the 15-minute chart, you can see that it was down below. It's kind of up above. It's come back down again. I'm not sold on IOST. I'm not sure what to tell you about this one. PivX just hit Binance just the other day. And since then, it has been doing nothing but going down. I can't suggest you to get in on PivX because even on the 15-minute candle, I'm seeing no indication that it's going to switch. How about Substratum? Nope. Same story. 15-minute candles just keeps on going down. What about Ven? Ven is still going down. Even APPC, even AppCoin. If you look at AppCoin, it's still on a mostly downtrend. If I go AppCoin on the 1 hour, it has been down since about the 20th. The 20th it was up here, and then the 21st, 22nd it crossed over, and it's been going down ever since. Verge has been doing nothing but going down since the 20th. All of this, just down. I still can't suggest you to get on a Verge. How about Tron? Nope, same indications. Ever since this little burst over here, this little mini burst we had for Tron, ever since the 20th, it's been just steadily going down with red line over blue line. Can't tell you to get on Tron. ICX, again, it's starting to go down right now. This is on the 1 hour chart, guys, and ICX is going down. Can't tell you to get on that. Litecoin, same kind of thing. I'm seeing no trend here. This might be a bit of a consolidation period right here on Litecoin. It might go up, it might go down. I'm not too sure. We'll have to wait and see. And this can go on and on. Now, there is only a few coins here. There are plenty of other fairly decent, half-decent coins that this website can track that can tell you what's going up, what's going down. So what I want you guys to do is, one, make some decisions on your own regarding the three coins talked about: Ethereum, Simple Token, and 8 shares. And if you have some coins that you're interested in or you think might get some buzz, look at the graphs yourself. I've made a video just earlier today talking about how to set up the graph like this. And for those of you that want the bars down here, this is the volume tool. So indicators, volume, right there. Boom, volume. As always, I just want to bring you guys as much value as I can. I'm learning about this. I'm about to go and watch an instructional video on Elliott wave theory. I also want to go watch some videos on MACD, and I want to watch some videos. There's another video I want to watch. I can't remember, but I'm trying to learn as much as I can so I can bring that information to you guys and provide you with as much value for free as I can. And as always, thank you very much for watching.